You're back. Did anyone miss us last week? No, they didn't. They didn't even know you weren't here. It's Alfie Audrey. And I would always miss you if you weren't here. Not really. It's son of a tutu. Something to them. Take it as you've got a mic. It works. You can say something. Say hello.
Well, then how the fuck we feeling tonight? Oh my God, so many beautiful faces illuminated by the house lights. Bitch, we're ready to party, are we not? Listen, I got one question for y'all. Do y'all think that I was wrong? Now listen, I might have been robbed on the show, but not in real life, because I love to ski here and we're gonna get lit tonight, okay?
Okay, DENALi, sit yourself down on the centre sofa. This is DENALi's virginal experience. I don't know why we've never had you, but
I've never done this before.
I don't know. But she has watched it, and that's enough for me. The rules are very simple. We've got 8 contestants who want to strip naked for you tonight. But the rules are rules, and they've got to be naked in 2 minutes. And if they're naked in the 2 minutes, they can win money by pound they deserve. Maybe 2. They win money from the judging. The 9th contestant will be picked by DENALi from someone in the audience. It's your fan not working. Alright, let's get started. yourself. Go sit down and relax. Take it easy. You are our winner tonight. Now, one final decision to make. You can have this £100 and go, or you can gamble by spinning the wheel. If the wheel stops at 500, you win £500. If it stops at 300, you win £300. But if it stops at a question mark, the money is gone. Instead, you win two prizes. You win a picture of Tutu. There it is. Look at that. That is Magneto. And it's so fucking sexy that we're throwing in a double-ended dildo for you to fuck yourself with while looking at that picture of Tutu. Imagine a double-ender, shove it in, look at Tutu. What more can you do for a sexy
It's
love?
been used by Tutu as well. It's been broken in by Tutu.
Look at you.
With the packets.
Hang on. Yeah. Right, so here we go. Check it out. So you have a decision. You can take the 100 or you can gamble. And if you decide to spin the wheel, the money is gone and it is wherever it stops. It's a 50-50 gamble. What do you want to do? No. No, come on, let's do it. 100 gamble. You're going to spin the wheel. Okay. The 100 is gone. Okay. Are you ready? Nice big spin. It's got to go around 3 or 4 times. Here we go. 500, 300, or a night with Tutu. That's yours. That's yours. Oh, we go down here. Yeah, no, you can use it backstage on the judges.
With our idea.
Alright, let's hear for a judge like Alfie Audrey, son of a Tutu, and our all-star, DENALi. DENALi is back on Saturday night. We're not surprised, but we're not allowed to say what it is. But it is fucking huge, isn't it? It's big. I'm not going to bleeding tell you. That's a clue. Right, in the meantime, next week, it's who from All Stars? Who is it from All Stars?
Next week is going